Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix transparent text not appearing in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to, of course, pull up your CapCut app, and then from here, just head to the text that's not appearing on your video. So there should be a text layer, if you have one, on your timeline. And if you notice that it's not appearing on this screen or in the player, then just make sure to select the text from the timeline or the text layer. And then right here, you'll see some settings under text. So just look for the blend option. All right, so if you activate blend, then you'll be able to adjust the opacity. Just make sure it's not all the way to 0%. And as you can see, anything close to 0% limits the visibility of the text. So just make sure that it's not too low so that you can still see the text. Alternatively, you can also add a stroke so that the text will stand out more. As you can see from here, the black outline serves as a stroke of pop out color to the text, which allows it to be more visible. You can also change that color, and you can also change the thickness. You can also try adding shadow. This will also work to make the text pop out more. And we'll just increase the opacity a bit more right here so that it's more visible, as you can see. So just feel free to tinker with these settings if you're not able to see the transparent text. It's also worth noting that if your CapCut is out of date or not updated to the latest version, then it might be causing some bugs. So make sure to run the latest version of CapCut always. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.